Hey, Mum, come have a look in here. I got a surprise for you.
What you got?
So this is how I would usually prepare my crabs when we're catching them at home, fresh out of the river. So I'm gonna just, you do have to be really careful. Typically, the best thing to do is to, well, you know what I like to do is I like to get tongs. Okay, so the thing is that you can hold the crab from behind because it can't get you from behind. So this is where you want to hold. Oh my goodness, this guy's really strong. So if you hold the crab from behind like this, he can't come back and swing you even if he's, got these claws loose. So that's kind of the way you want to do it. Now I like to put mine in the freezer first. Okay. Okay, so these guys go into the freezer. I don't want to freeze the meat so much. Look, I'm going to give it like 20 minutes and we'll come back and see. So now that our crabs are a little bit stunned, almost asleep, there'll still be a little bit of movement here, but they won't be as hard to handle. Now I'm going to take my knife and very swiftly dispatch them. Now you can remove the string. Oh my goodness, these guys are so heavy, they are going to be delicious. So now we can clean the crabs. So you want to start by pulling off that little flap on the underside of the crab and then pulling the hard top shell off. So now you can remove what's called dead man fingers. Yeah, a little gruesome, but anyway, it's these like little grey, furry, feathery bits that you want to get rid of. Now split the body in half, and this is where you want to give everything a really good clean because mud crabs live in mud. So clean out all of that gunky grey and yellow stuff in the middle and also clean the shells of the crab. And don't forget to clean that head as well. You might not want to eat it, but you definitely want it for decorative purposes. So now we can get on to portioning up our crab pieces here. Now I like to keep things rather large and chunky. I'll divide up the body into about 3 or 4 pieces. And then you really want to crack the hard bits of shell like the pincer and some of the harder leg pieces so that the sauce can really get in there and so that it's easier for you to eat at the table. And that's it. Now your crab pieces are ready to go, whether you're steaming or stir frying them or turning them into some sort of yummy pasta. Yum. Love crab. Cheers.
Cheers, look at that.